Good afternoon everyone. In today's class of discrete mathematics, I will discuss new topic of unit 2. It is K-map, or we can say Carnot map. The full form of K-map is Carnot map. Okay. You are also studying this topic in digital electronics. Similarly, it is also there in discrete mathematics. K-map means Carnot map. Let's see simplification. K-map or Carnot map simplification. So you can see the definition here. I have taken it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just see or look at the statement 5. The Carnot map is a graphical representation. This is the definition of K-map. The K-map or Carnot map is a graphical representation that provides a systematic method for simplifying and manipulating Boolean expressions. Okay, K-map is a graph or graphical representation that provides simplification of Boolean expressions. Why do we use K-map? क्यों यूज़ करते हैं K-map? Boolean expressions को simplify करने के लिए. Okay, K-map means एक ग्राफ होता है that helps for simplifying Boolean expression. Okay, now let's see from beginning. The standard forms of logical functions are represented either in SOP or POS. You will have to remember SOP and POS. I will discuss in next page. SOP stands for sum of products, POS stands for product of sums, as we have done CNF and DNF. So sum of products, sum means or, product means and, means disjunction of conjunction, so it is DNF. SOP is also as DNF. POS, product of sums, product means and, sum means or. So and of or means conjunctions of disjunctions. So POS is, just remember it is same. SOP is DNF, POS is CNF. Okay, so we have established the need for simplification and also introduced simplification method. Okay, so let's see how to solve a K-map. What is the map, how to make that, and further we will discuss how to solve any numerical by K-map. Here you can see it is written, it is something blur. I am telling you what is written. For an n variable, okay, अगर n variable है small n means number of variables, K-map will be 2 to the power n cells. For n variable, small n variable, there will be 2 to the power n cells. Means if 2 variables are there, then cells will be 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. Similarly, 3 variables, 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. For 4 variable, 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. Same as we did in propositions. Okay. Now let's see 2 variable K-map. For 2 variable, let A comma B, एक variable A, B. So there will be 2 to the power 4 is equal to 4 cell. So we will divide 4 cell. Then outside the graph we will write 0, 1, 0, 1. So value will be, as it is SOP, so we will make products inside and sum outside. So inside the cells, first multiply 0 dot 0, so it will become 0, 0. Second row, first we will take row, then column 0, 1. Third 1, second row 1, column 0, 1, 0, next 1, 1. Okay, and here is the value also for cell designation, means here is the value also. Like 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4, so there will be 4 number. It will begin from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 number will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Now how will we fill the value? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. First we will fill 0, second column 1, third column 2, other column 3. You can also convert these value into binary. So you will come to know the binary of 0 is 0, 0, binary of 1 is 0, 1, binary of 2 is 1, 0, binary of 3 is 1, 1. So it is logical here. If you are unable to use logic, then just learn 0, 1, 2. Okay. For 3 variable K-map, just see variable 3 means A, B, C. Okay. So we will take A in the row and B comma C in the columns. So 3 variables are there. First we will take in row, second and third we will take in column. Okay, so outside the cell the value will be 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1. We just remember them, 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Inside multiply 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0. Now designation 0 1, yes remember it, 0 1 3 2 not 2 3, then 4 5 7 6. यहाँ चेंज हो रहा है बिकॉज आप इनकी बाइनरी कन्वर्जन करेंगे. सो यू विल कम टू नो द बाइनरी ऑफ 3 इज़ 0 1 1, बाइनरी ऑफ 2 इज़ 0 1 2, बाइनरी ऑफ 7 इज़ 1 1 1, binary of 6 is 1 1 0. You must have remember BCD codes, binary coded decimal BCD codes 8421. By the concept of 8421 you can easily convert binary number of 7632. You will finally conclude with the location. If you are unable to code them, just learn them 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6. Next, four variable means A comma B comma C comma D. So 2 variable we will take in row, 2 variable we will take in column. So value, just remember them, 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. After that multiply them, so it will 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0. Next 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 triple 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 triple 1 0 1 triple 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0. Just multiply we have done. Now also see the values 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6. It will be the same as we did with 3 variable. Now next value 8 will be in the last row. So value will be 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6 12 13 15 14 8 9 11 10. So just remember it, 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6 in the last row 8 9 11 10, then third row 12 13 15 14. मीन्स 2 बार चेंज करना है आपको. थर्ड कॉलम फोर्थ कॉलम में ऑलवेज रोटेट करना है. देन आफ्टर हाफ you have to come at the down. You can code them easily by BCD 8421, then 16 8 4 2 1. By this BCD code you can convert easily decimal number into binary. If you are unable to do that, just learn 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6, then come last row 8 9 11 10, next 12 13 15 14. Okay, cell with min term, just remember that soft terms are called min terms. Okay, and pos terms are called max term. Pos term I will discuss later. So for today I will discuss only min term, means soft form. For A comma B, 2 variable, the terms will be 0 1 0 means A bar, 1 means A. Similarly B 0 means B bar B. So value will be A bar B bar, A bar B, A B bar A B. It is so. Next, it was 2 variable. For 3 variable, for min term I will discuss only min term. Next max term I will discuss in pos. Today I will discuss only soft. So here for 3 variable A B comma C, as we wrote 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So just put variable name in place of 0, just put the bar. In place of 1, just put the variable as it is. Okay, true and false means 0 1 A bar A, B C. 0 0 means B bar C bar dot. 0 1 means B bar C columns. Okay, then 1 1 B C, 1 0 B C bar. Okay, for 3 variable. Similarly for 4 variable I will discuss only min terms. 4 variable A bar 0 0 means A bar B bar, 0 1 A bar B, 1 1 A B, 1 0 A B bar. Similarly 0 0 C bar D bar, then 0 1 C bar D, 1 CD, then 10 CD bar. Just put 1 in the variable and 0 in with bar. Similarly, you can multiply row with columns. So value will be here. Value will be for min term of SOP a bar, b bar, a bar, b, a, b bar, a, b. For free variable a bar, b bar, c bar, a bar, b bar, c, a bar, b bar, c, a bar, b, c, a bar, b, c bar, a, b bar, c bar, a, b bar, c, a, b, c, a, b, c bar. And for 4 variable min term, multiply row with columns. So value will be, you can see, a bar, b bar, c bar, d bar, a bar, b bar, c bar, d, a bar, b bar, c, d, a bar, b bar, c, d bar, a bar, b, c bar, d bar, a bar, b, c bar, d, a bar, b, c, d, a bar, b, c, d bar, a, b, c bar, d bar, a, b, c bar, d, a, b, c, d, a, b, c, d bar, a, b bar, c bar, d bar, a, b bar, c bar, d, a, b bar, c, d, a, b bar, c, d. Okay. Next, I will discuss with pause forms. Today I have discussed only SOP. So it is a method of K-map. K-map has 2 terms. You can see SOP and pause. I have discussed SOP. Sum of product is DNF. Disjunction of conjunction. I told you how to make K-map for 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable, and also how to fill the designation of a cell and how to convert min terms. Next, I will tell you the numericals of by using K-map, how to simplify numericals. So just learn the format, otherwise you will be unable to fill values and you will be unable to solve the question. It is very easy, very interesting also. Just learn how to make the format, and finally we will discuss the numericals. Thank you for listening.